Hi, so basically what's going to happen is you need to look up UCD images. So obviously you go through here, go Google, because obviously this doesn't work. We're going to Google, not Bing, no thank you. Then you obviously look up UCD, actually images. There, go into there, images Google, and then obviously I'm going to go UCD, and here you have it, different types of things. You have obviously you have comes up with the Belgrove, Roebuck, graduation onto the other side where my mouse disappears from the window here. Dublin, Science Building, the Smurfit Building, Ashford, Richview, you know. There's Science Building, there's the lake. Oh, that looks nice. And there's the other lake, the Aran, over by the Sublin and canteen and stuff. And then obviously, if you want to look up other Google images, you can look up stuff like, okay, once again, we're here, so we're going to hit Google. And I just don't want to go into Chrome, thanks, because it's really annoying. Edge is better, but in my opinion, but Chrome takes way more RAM. So there's no point in using it. And there's some other stuff I need to look up. And obviously Scholar is something good for articles. It's another thing that I use. So yeah, that's about it.